YUME Hawk Pro Unboxing Guide. Lift the foam cover from the sides before take out the scooter. What's in the box? YUME bag and toolkit, user manual, 2 NFC keys and light remote, mobile phone holder, index finger throttle, backup, 2 rear view mirrors, 2 chargers, tire pump, dampener. Start adjusting the scooter. Press the folding buckle. Lock folding mechanism. Adjust the handlebar. Loosen the handlebar screw and twist the direction forward. Tighten the screws. Adjust the handlebar to the proper position and tighten the screws. Tighten the display button screws. Adjust the 3-in-1 switch for headlight steering and horn to a suitable position and tighten the screw. Adjust the thumb push throttle to a suitable position and tighten the screw. Adjust the left and right oil brakes to a suitable position and tighten the screws. Install the YUME bag, gift, adjust headlight position, install the dampener, while keeping the front straight, slide the center of the dampener so the exposed ends are equal in length. Tighten the dampener clamp and check at the front wheel turns freely. Turn on the display and check that the following accessories are working properly: headlight, turn signal, horn, check brake light, pedal or deck light bar. Use 1 or 2 chargers to charge the scooter. Enjoy and ride safe.